welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this super simple, cute, and easy look. So it's basically just two puffs. That's basically all it is. But it's a vibe. It's a vibe. I can't believe this is my first time trying or attempting to you know, create this style, but I'm here for it. So it's perfect for a failed wash and go, old wash and go, twist out, perm rod set. It's perfect for any old or failed hairstyle, basically. Outside of that, I personally just feel like it's a cute look regardless. I could definitely see myself wearing this to like maybe a festival, photo shoot, throw some color in the puffs, and it's a whole vibe, a whole look. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna be running you guys through how I achieved this look. Takes no more than like 15 minutes, honestly. But yeah, let's get into it. So like I was telling you guys earlier, this style is ideal for an old wash and go that you don't care to wear down anymore, which is exactly what I'm working on right now. So this is an old wash and go. Right now I'm just parting my hair down the middle. You can part your hair down the middle, you can do a zigzag part. I'm not that much of an expert when it comes to parting. I actually had to have my mom help me part the back of my hair. So now that I have a pretty decent part, I'm gonna focus on one half of my head, sectioning off the other side. Now what I'm about to do is pretty simple. If you normally rock high puffs, you're basically just gonna be doing the same thing. So right now I'm just wetting the portion of my hair that I'm gonna be slicking into the ponytail puff. Get some hydration in there, and so it's a lot easier to manipulate. Then you wanna go in with your soft bristle brush and kind of just smooth everything out into the direction of the ponytail. Once you've gotten everything smooth to your liking, you want to go in with your preferred gel, edge control, or whatever it is you prefer to use to slick your hair. So this portion of the video, I really cut out a lot and edited a lot out just because it was super redundant. But you're going to do a whole bunch of smoothing, a whole bunch of brushing, a whole bunch of smoothing, and a whole bunch of brushing until you have your desired smoothness. Once you have that, you want to go in with a shoelace. So I'm using a shoelace. I know some people may find that as tacky. You can use a pantyhose, you can use a broken elasticated headband. Just anything other than a ponytail holder, like to ensure that you get maximum volume out of your puff. Then for the final touch, of course, you want to lay your edges, lay your baby hairs, do what you gotta do. And everything else is pretty much self-explanatory, you guys. So I will just let some music play and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And of course, this is a finished look, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Totally forgot to film an outro for this, but y'all get the point. Let me know if you guys plan on trying this look or if you have before. And thanks so much for tuning into this video. I'll see you on my next one.